All right, practice problems 3 and 4. This monomial is being raised to the power of 2. I need to write in my ones just for the 6. All of these exponents, 1, 3, and 8, are going to get multiplied by 2. So 6 is to the 2nd power, A is to the 6th power, and B is to the 16th power. I need to multiply out the number, so 6 squared is 36, A to the 6th, B to the 16th. Final answer. Next one, this monomial is being raised to the 3rd power, so I need to write in any ones that might be there. All of these exponents, the 1, the 2, and the 5, are going to get multiplied by 3. So this is 7 to the 3rd, G to the 6th, H to the 6th, and I to the 15th. So now 7 to the 3rd power, that's 7 times 7 times 7. So that's 49 times 7. That's 63, 28, 29, 30, 343. And then we have G to the 6th, H to the 6th, I to the 15th. Final answer. After your exit ticket today, you're going to do IXL, 8th grade, BB 9. Shouldn't take you very long. It's exactly what we did in this lesson.